Today I wanted to share with you what I found on this hybrid battery pack that I'm working on. It has a P0AA6 code, and this is very helpful information even if you don't have a P0AA6 code, because it could prevent you from getting one later. So just watch carefully and see what I found on here, and you won't have to learn the hard way like I did. Okay, so I've got this pack out. Right here you can see where there was leakage, and it looks like where 23 has the most still moisture. That doesn't mean it was coming from 23. I mean, it could have come from 24, 23, even 22 and ran this way. But I'm guessing probably 23. But let's look at the bottom of the modules and see if we can get a clue here. At the bottom of the modules, maybe if we're lucky, some of them are still wet. Let's see, go from 28, 27, 26, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. Look, that's moist. That is wet and moist. 23 looks the most wet. And 22 is also very wet. Right here. See the glint of the light on it where it's wet? It's wet here and here and here. Okay, so let's follow these two around and see. Yep, 22 and 23 are pretty darn wet at the bottom. See any of that wetness? Oh, that looks, is that wet right there? Or is that just some red marking? Oh, whoa, what's this? Is there some damage around that? Maybe it's leaking out from under that and running down on 23. And 23 is not one of the expensive modules that I just bought on eBay as part of the most expensive modules on eBay experiment. That would be 24, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are those. This is one of the modules that was already in this pack, 23. So I think it was an existing module was leaking right beside one of the expensive modules. So I'm going to replace that and only that, and see if, and I'll have to clean these real good. I'll still have to take all these apart and wash them real good, because if there's still any of this moisture here, it could conceivably carry voltage to the case and still set that code, the P0AA6, and turn on the triangle. So I'll have to do a lot of cleaning, but I think that should do it. I mean, look at that. It's damaged like that has somehow been maybe heated and melted a little bit or something. I'm not sure. Over torqued at some point in its life. Don't know. Doesn't look the same as the others. See, the others don't have that look right there. See how nice and clean and pristine they look when they go to the pack. Oh, what's this? What's this? Maybe I should get rid of 11 too. Look at that. Look at 11. Oh yeah. Could have had the same problem again. See where 11. No, it's not leaking yet, but it looks like it could be sometime in the future. Okay. And then I guess I should go down the other side and look at them too. We've got a new thing to check on every pack we work on now. Get to really look at these things. Okay, as if we didn't already have enough on the checklist. We've got this too. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Think this is going to fix it? We'll change number 11 and number 23. and clean everything really well. You think that's going to get rid of our code? Thank you for watching, and if you want to see what I've learned about cleaning the modules way better than I did years ago, then watch this video over here. And if you want to see all my hybrid repairs and all my hybrid experiments on modules and things like that, then check out this link over here. Sane Auto and or Victor Sane assumes no liability for property damage or injury incurred as a result of any of the information contained in this video. Use this information at your own risk. Sane Auto recommends safe practices when working on vehicles and or with tools seen or implied in this video. No information contained in this video shall create any expressed or implied warranty or guarantee of any particular result. Any injury, damage, or loss that may result from improper use of these tools, equipment, or from the information contained in this video is the sole responsibility of the user and not Sane Auto nor Victor Sane. In layman's terms, please don't do anything you see me do in my videos. You could end up burnt, bruised, and bleeding just like me. This site contains affiliate links for which I may be compensated.